The following are scores obtained by some students in a test. So we have the scores here. The question says that find the median score. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve it, and after that we will choose the correct option. We are going to find the median score. To get the median score, we first have to arrange the scores in order of magnitude. It can be ascending order or descending order. That is from the least score to the highest score, or from the highest score to the least score. In this particular case, I'm going to use the ascending order, so from the least score to the highest score. So we have to arrange the scores here in ascending order. When we look through, we can see that the least score is 8, and we have 2 of them. So we have 8. I'm going to cross it out so that you can see. So we have one of the 8s here, and the other one is also here. Then the next one is 10. So I'll cross that one out. The next one will be 11. The next one is 13. The next one is also 13. Then we have 13 again. The next one is 14. The next one is also 14. Then the one after that is 15. The one after that is 16. The one after that is 17. Then the next one is 18. And the last one is also 18. Now you can see that in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 scores in total. The median score will be the middle score. The number of scores we have here is 14. So when we divide it into 2, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on one side, and then we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the other side. As you can see, the middle score will be between 13 and 14. To get the median, what we will do is that we will add these two numbers and then divide the result by 2. So the median score is equal to 13 plus 14 divided by 2, and this will give us 13.5. When we look through the options, the correct option is B. The median score obtained by the students in the test is 13.5.